I've seen some birds that look too big to be a kestrel. They're kind of falcon shaped.
Then you might.
I don't know if they're migrating. Or...
So Bart wouldn't let you put his jesses in.
Well, he stepped up on the glove twice, but as soon as I tried to put the jesses in, he would jump off.
One way of getting around that is go out there with one piece of food.
Hold that closer. Good boy.
Food is positive reinforcement and whistling.
I know he was very vocal when I've seen him before.
Yep. We've actually, so he didn't seem to do good out in the more open environment out at the condo. Since he was stolen also and somebody tried to make him a pet, he does better and maintains a better attitude when he's around and closer to people.
Mm-hmm. They talk about people getting started in falconry and stealing birds, yeah, and that just, I always stop. What?
But you know what? They're allowed to do that. So to take them from their nest isn't necessarily a bad thing, because in the wild, only 20% of all raptors make it through their first year.
Oh, really?
So if it's a good falconer, they're going to keep it 1 year, teach it how to hunt, take care of it, and then they're going to release it.
I wanted to get a little bit of you.
No.
So we could see who was talking to you.
No.
He's a pretty bird. Yeah, there's the guy I know. He was real vocal first time we ever met him. He was just talking the whole time.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He used to raise pheasants, and what else did he raise? Just pheasants?
Yeah, I lost. That's what I was about to say about tied off and shutting the door. I lost a female Impian pheasant.
Yep.
And she wouldn't. You got Liz's phone number?
I don't know if I do or not. I'll check and see. Won't have service here to send anything, but we can before we get home. Or I can email it to you. There you go. Show off for us. Pretty boy. AJ. AJ. Yeah, AJ. You know your name, don't you? Oh, goodness. Calm down. You lay enough protein in them?
We're using all kinds of stuff now that we have this new vet here. She's
Still don't want venison though, do you?
No, it just doesn't have nutrition, but yeah, that it occupies their time, and they spend a lot of time on it. Yeah. So any type of necks.
Squirrel tails are probably good for that too.
Oh, he went nuts over a couple squirrel tails. I think that's one of the reasons.
That'd be cool. If you get it close, you can get between the wires like that.
I'm just recording him.
Oh, your video. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's a good idea too.